Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your blog with WordPress, detailed guide step by step clearly. To optimize your blog with WordPress, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the settings menu in the left sidebar. Select permalinks to choose a friendlier URL structure. A common choice is post name for better SEO. Next, install a reliable SEO plugin like Yoast SEO or Rank Math. Go to Plugins and click on Add New. Search for your chosen SEO plugin and click Install Now. After installation, click Activate. Once activated, look for the new SEO menu in the sidebar. Follow the setup wizard to configure basic settings. Now, focus on optimizing your content. Create high-quality, informative blog posts that provide value. Incorporate relevant keywords naturally within your content. Use headings and subheadings to improve readability. Add internal and external links to enhance authority. Next, optimize your images. Use a plugin like Smush to compress images without losing quality. Always add alt text to your images for better SEO. Consider improving your site's speed. Use a caching plugin like W3 Total Cache to enhance performance. Check your site speed with tools like Google PageSpeed Insights. For better mobile optimization, use a responsive theme. Navigate to Appearance, then Themes to select or install a responsive theme. To further enhance user experience, ensure your site is easy to navigate. Create clear categories and tags for your posts. Utilize widgets to include a search bar and recent posts. Regularly update your content to keep it fresh and relevant. Monitor your site's performance using Google Analytics. Adjust your strategy based on insights from user behavior. Finally, engage with your audience by responding to comments. This not only builds community but also increases user retention. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.